HTC introduced its new Glass U series not long ago, and we already reviewed its flagship representative, the U Ultra. It is now time to move down market and inspect the HTC U Play, which comes with a more manageable display size, premium design, and 16MP cameras both front and back. In short, the U Play has everything we could expect out of a worthy mid-ranger these days, at least on paper. But how does it perform in practice? Let's dive in. Audio. On the audio front, HTC has had the courage to get rid of the 3.5mm headphone jack. The onboard USB Type-C port is to be used for audio playback, and, thankfully, the device comes with a rebranded version of the HTC U-Sonic adaptive in-ear headphones that came along the HTC Bolt and 10 Evo a couple of months or so ago. These adapt to your ears and aim to provide a better audio listening experience for each individual user. This would only work via the USB-C connector, though, and those adjustments aren't valid for your Bluetooth headset, for instance, or third-party sets. The sole loudspeaker at the bottom of the U Play is surprisingly strong, and with fairly clean and full sound for a phone speaker. Call quality. The earpiece is powerful enough, but the voices sound a bit muffled and hollow in it, plus they get distorted towards the high end of the volume scale. The two-noise cancelling mix, however, did a good job relaying our voice loud and clear to the other end, with discernible timbre.